Warm welcome to our first DBinnofusion event of the year.
We're also very grateful to HCL for hosting us this evening in such an amazing location. This is our first event with HCL, and as Santosh mentioned, we are planning another 3 events in 2016. The aim of Deutsche Tech is that it's a network focused on working with technology entrepreneurs.
I look forward to the great debate.
Okay, good evening everyone, thank you. As Lucy said, my name is Abdul Basit. I'm one of the co-founders of Innovate Finance and I'm the head of finance and strategic projects.
From our point, we also see a lot of I would say tier 2 banks and so forth. They cannot maintain the investment in their own trading infrastructure. A single dealer platform is fairly expensive and specialized technology and having that distribution capability. So we're seeing an interest from a lot of those institutions to actually consume our service or technology.
The way innovation is organized at HSBC at the group level is we do 2 things. The first one is we organize the strategy around innovation, so we identify what are the important trends that are happening and why they are relevant for HSBC.
We truly see leadership for the future around real collaboration across that whole payments ecosystem. So while previously we may have thought of some of the startup or growing organisations as threats, we now see that actually working together and trying to solve some of the problems from the customer perspective, from the retailer perspective, from the bank perspective, is the true way to innovate.
Our approach, I think it was announced last year, was we selected some of those big players as co-innovation partners across North America, Europe and the UK. That was an entry point to make sure that we can leverage their spend, the billions in some cases, but there's also to make that connection. I think you're right, we get a lot of interest from the business because we can help them understand how they can move forward, but technologists understandably want to know how we fit into their story.
You got to see where it's coming from. Regulation, more regulation, and regulation that differs across client types, jurisdiction, product types. And then the other side of that is sanctions. If you don't meet the regulations, these threat of sanctions. So what's the natural response internally? It's more rules, more processes, and make sure it's auditable. So that's the pressure that people are under.
Thank once again all of you at the panel as well as the guests who have come and participated. Thank you very much.